Hi, in my last video we have introduced the control system for more than 100 IP cameras. We can use the one keyboard plus the mouse to control all the network video recorder plus the PC server. It's just the hotkey we need to swap between the network video recorder. For example, now we are having the first network video recorder on the monitor with the mouse. If I want to control the second network video recorder, I just use the hotkey to swap to the second network video recorder. Now I'm getting the mouse control on the second network video recorder. It's fine. We have single monitor plus the one keyboard and one mouse. We have all the network video recorder in control. But you see, that's not enough. The reason is we probably need more than one monitor, right? We have more than 100 camera like this. We have multiple monitor on the desk. In this case, we also have the video method, which allow us to to output the specific network video recorder to one of the specific monitor. For example, if we have a large screen, that will be the screen. If there's something urgent happen, we would like to output the specific network video recorder to that monitor. For example, I can swap these two screens. Now we just swap the first monitor to the second monitor. Then I can get the second one to the first one. Now we simply swap these two screens. That will be work. And there's still one thing. Let's say if each of the network video recorder have some important location, like the entrance, we would like to monitor the entrance all days, right? Or the place, the marketing department or the financial department. In that case, we will have the important spot from each of the network video recorder. Can we output this network video recorder to the screen? Yes. And let's take close to the NVR. We got the second HDMI output. This is the first output, is the main output we saw on the monitor, but we also have the second output. This output, it will not output all the video. It just will output specific channel. Maximum we can get 4 channel output together. Usually we also can get 1 channel. Let me go to the setting. Just go to the monitor and go to this one. Let's just go to the monitor. I will operate the network video recorder through this control system. From this spot, I can either choose one of the channel output through the second HDMI or 4 channel output through the HDMI. Now you don't see any change after I select the output spot because I didn't connect the second output to this monitor. That's the reason. You see, if we have like 7 network video recorder, probably we have the hotspot from each of this network video recorder. If you just connect the monitor to use one monitor to connect to one network video recorder, totally we need to have 7 monitor. That's not work if you have a lot of monitor getting the output from the hotspot. In this case, we are using this cord, video cord. The video cord can take totally 8 HDMI input and will combine all the video to a single output. That's nice because we could have, you see, we could have the hotspot from each of the network video recorder output, and to this device, it will combine all the video together and get a single output to the one of the monitor. Okay, first let me just swap this output to the first video monitor. Okay, I think it's number 4. Yes, this is the combined output. Okay, now I can operate. Let's see what will happen. For this one, I'm getting the 4 code. Now I can switch to got the only 1 channel. Now let's go to another network video recorder. I'm getting the single channel. Now I'm getting the 4 channel. That's the point. The search window is belong to the PC server. You see, that's the way we can get all the hotspot output from the second HDMI output and combine together and use this device to put all the channel together and output to the monitor. If there's big screen, you can just assign this monitor to the big screen by using the video method. Like what I just done, I can assign this to the second one. Let's do it again. Now we're getting video on the large screen. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you have any question, please post in comment section below. See you next time.